Hey guys, today is the 20th, Tuesday, I think it is. Yeah, today is Tuesday, the 20th. Yeah, I thank God I didn't have any clients today. I just feel so bad. Feel bad, and I stayed in the house all day long. I'm heading out right now because I wanted loaded baked potatoes tonight. So I have the potatoes, something in my lip gloss. I have the baked potatoes. I have broccoli. I need to get sour cream and some chicken breast because I think I'm gonna do it chicken wise, and I'm gonna try to record a video. It's a stuffed sweet potato, so I'm gonna try to get that done. I need to go by 2 stores. Do I feel like it? No. And it's not a cold, y'all. I have a headache that is out of the world. And it just had me where I'm just, oh. So I did get a chance to do some videos today, get them edited. So I managed to do that. So it's now to the point, hey, that I got to do my next step. My neighbors, they so sweet. They young and they so sweet. But I said my head is hurting so bad, y'all. It's just like I can't think. I got some collab work I need to get done. I did not add it into the stuff that I did. I just didn't do it, so I gotta do this collab because I have 3 collabs that I need to get done. So yeah, I gotta get that done. Like right now, I'm like, why am I on the road? I don't feel good. So y'all gonna go with me into Publix. I'm more so going in there just for a rain check, which I should go to Publix first. It's 5:30, so I should go to Publix first because they got the sodas and is buy 2 get 2 free, right? But if you got the coupon, you get $3 off, or making them like $5 a box. So I know you got to be smart with this stuff. So I know the Mountain Dew Raz is raspberry. They didn't have any the other day. So my car been parked all yesterday and my window down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and see if they have it. If they don't have it, I just ask for a rain check. And to be smart, tell them to add it on to my account. So that is what I'm gonna do first because traffic is heavy already. And this is just on my road. So I'm gonna go and to Publix first and do what I need to do at Publix first. Then I'm gonna leave Publix and I'm gonna go over to Kroger. I don't need to go nowhere else. It is something that I want from Five Below, but I get it tomorrow. Your girl is not at it. Your girl don't feel good. So with that being said, y'all, I know what I wanted. I want me a loaded baked potato with, oh, I need to get cheese. I need to get cheese because I have sliced cheese, but I don't have any shredded cheese. So I need shredded cheese, chicken, and I need sour cream. Yeah, that's all. That's all I'm putting on it. It's just like something is on my lip gloss. And if y'all know, the feeling that is just, ugh. So that is what it's going to be for Din Din tonight. I might make the dragon fruit refresher in the drink dispenser. But really, I don't need to do that. I just went and put that stuff in the refrigerator, so I might not even do that. So anyway, y'all, I will see y'all in Publix. We're going to Publix first. We are now off to Kroger. I did pretty good. And I got 2 rain checks, y'all. He put it with my account and gave me 1. Yes. So now we just need 2 things from Kroger. Y'all gonna see why I told you I need it. I didn't spend a lot. I only spent $20. So I'm good with that. But I don't care when I go in the store, it always be I get extra things. And I think that's with everybody. So off to Kroger. It's getting dark, as y'all can see. It's getting dark. Okay, y'all, so this person parked the wrong way. I always stay in my car because if you're gonna hit my car, I'm gonna know it. You're not gonna hit me and think you're gonna get away with it. No. So yep, sitting right in the car and you hit my car and it's gonna be something. So I'm waiting for them because how she got her wheel turn. See that? I knew if you hit my car, it ain't gonna be good. It ain't gonna be good. So I'm gonna go in here. See, it's that car right there, y'all. So I just need cheese. I got sour cream from over there. So I just need cheese and the chicken. So let me go. It's dark. The ghosts and goblins gonna get me. Y'all done did a little shop, got more than what I was supposed to get. And ended up talking to my girl. So I will see y'all when I get. Okay guys, so of course I am back home. So I want to show y'all guys what $56 buy these days. $56. Now I'm looking on my kitchen kind of like, where's my food? So here's what I bought. Teddy Grahams, sour cream, some pecan cookies, chicken breast, eggnog, yams, cookies, mini cakes, cheese, more cheese, pieces for my son that works from home, calypsos because they're my favorite, and just something if it's a lazy day. So this is $56.